Hey there! Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable camera effects during WhatsApp video calls. If you love adding a bit of fun to your calls with filters and effects, this feature is perfect for you. Let's dive in. First, open WhatsApp on your Android device and make sure you're in the app. Once it's open, tap on the three dots in the top right corner to access the settings menu. From there, go to Privacy Settings and scroll down a little until you see the option to allow camera effects. By default, this setting is turned off, but you can easily enable it. Simply toggle it on and tap. Continue to confirm. And that's it. You've successfully enabled camera effects for your WhatsApp video calls. Now you can use fun filters, stickers, and effects to make your video chats even more exciting. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more useful tips. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your new video call effects.